Hello, my name is Kayla and welcome to Tips and Tricks Tuesday, where I'll be giving you all the latest tips and tricks in PVFarm. Today we're looking at a sneak preview of a new function in PVFarm. You asked for it and we're delivering. We've now implemented a measuring tool into PVFarm. So if I look at the right-hand toolbar, we see that there is now a ruler option. Of course, this is only going to work in 2D, so you see I have it notated as being in 2D right now. So I click on my ruler and you'll notice that I'm now seeing points that are clickable and will snap to those points. So if I click on a point and then I drag around, it is updating in real time what that measurement is. So I've got my first point snapped. So now let me come down and I'll grab this point across the way. So note how it snapped right to that corner. And now I'll hit OK and I have this measurement that is scaling as I zoom in and out of my site. So this is now an object in my site that is labeled as a ruler item. So you can open that up in your Model Explorer and hide these if you wish, or keep them up. You can put as many as you'd like. So if I want to now come and make another measurement across the way here, these are now two rulers independent of each other. In addition to this, if I were to click on my boundary object and hit Tab, you see that I now have measurements from each point in my boundary object. So with this, you'll now be able to measure different distances in your work site. You can check your various gaps and make sure everything is going good there. This will be available with the July update in PVFarm. So look forward to it coming out, and I'll talk to everyone next time. Bye.